Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make water slime. First, you'll need glue, a big bowl, a mixer, two mixers actually, and a few measuring tools, and borax, dye to make it look pretty, but you don't have to add it if you don't want to. Now, let's get started. First step, you'll add 2.5 cups of water. After that, you'll pour 1 cup of glue. Make sure all of it is out. Then you will mix. Mix. Then, if you want, you can add some colors. I'll add blue. The more drops, the darker it will get. Okay, I think that's enough. After this step, you can set this aside and make activator with borax. And then add your borax. It's 1/4 of a teaspoon. And you need warm water because then the borax will dissolve. If cold, it won't. Then gently mix it. Now you'll pour the borax water in with the slime. Mix it, then it should turn into water slime. And you will gently play with it until it becomes a nice consistency. And you should keep mixing until the perfect texture. Eventually, the texture will become this. And if you think it needs more water, you can add it. We added a lot more water and it's probably a little bit more sticky, but it makes really good stretches. Really, really, really jiggly. I think the slime turned out pretty good. I just might have added a little too much water. So it's really sticky, but it's really stretchy. And jiggly. Thanks for watching today's video. Bye!